5 degrees outside, wind chill -1. So we're gonna try and make some stump cookers. That looks ridiculous. Now let's get ready the rest of the way and you'll see how it'll hold some of this heat in here. It just stays bunched up down there. I'm gonna get ready the rest of the way and then we're gonna see how they do. I will see you in the deer woods. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is exactly how it feels. Hold on.